Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. So find the next term of the given sequence, and the sequence is 13, 143, 169, 221, 247, 299, and we have to find the next term. So here we can observe that the pattern is like we can write 13 here. So we can see 13 multiplied by 11 will give 143 and 13 multiplied by 13 will give 169 and 13 multiplied by 17 will give 221. Similarly, 13 multiplied by 19 will give 247 and 13 multiplied by 23 is equal to 299. So all are the multiple of 13. So here an important thing that we can observe is 13 is common in all, which is further multiplied by prime numbers, because 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23 all these are prime numbers. So the prime numbers are 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23 respectively. These are the prime number that is multiplied by 13 to get the next term. So observing this, we can say that the next prime number that will come after 23 is equal to 29. So we can say that the next term is nothing but 13, the common term, multiplied by the next prime number, which is 29. So this multiplication is equal to 377. So the next term is 377, which is option C. So we can say that the answer is option C.